My dear students, especially the students of intermediate first year and second year, I think all of you are well by the grace of Allah staying at your residence, and I am also well. You are most welcome to online based class arranged by National College. All of you are aware of the fact that the whole world has been passing through a severe crisis, and that is COVID-19. And then COVID-19 has stopped every activity of the world, but your studies shouldn't be allowed to be stopped. Keeping all these things in memory, our most honorable principal, Mr. Shahidul Alam, has been working heart and soul to provide lessons to residents so that your studies cannot be hampered. And then for that reason, he has been arranging a lot of classes in schedule, and accordingly today I shall discuss with you how to change the sentences, and these changing sentences have started from class 9 and continues at the same way. And then let us start, and today's topic is completely different, and to solve, at first you have to solve the sentences, and for that you have to take your pen and notebook. Here you know that you have to change from active to passive, or from active mode to passive mode, or from passive mode to active mode, or you have to change from simple, complex, compound, or functionally you have to change the sentences from exclamatory, assertive, interrogative, optative, and then in this way imperative. And in the same way you have to change degrees, and there you may find positive, comparative, superlative, and you have to change from superlative to comparative, and you have to change from comparative into positive, or comparative into superlative, and then you also have to change from affirmative into negative, or negative into affirmative. In this way you have to change. And then this question comes in your question paper as question number 6, and there are 5 sentences, and every sentence contains 1 mark, and then you have to change the sentences as directed in the question paper. Okay, now at first you have to change the sentences, and then I shall change. And okay, see here I am reading the context. Read the text and change the sentences as directed. You know that structurally sentences are 3 kinds here: simple, complex, and compound. Here you see A. Our Parliament House at Sher-e-Bangla Nagar in Dhaka is a triumph of modern architecture and technology. You have to change the sentence into complex sentence. And then number B. A famous architect, Louis I. Kahn, designed this magnificent building. You have to change this into passive. This is now in active mode. And number C. It is one of the largest and most spectacular parliament buildings in the world. This is in superlative form, and you have to change it into positive degree. And the number D. S. It is a highly complex structure. Its annual maintenance cost is about 50 million taka, and you have to change it into simple sentence, and this is now in complex sentence as you have found here as. And the last one, it is very difficult for a poor country like Bangladesh to bear these high expenses. Okay, at first you have to change. Okay, I think you are changing. Fine, done. Okay, now I am solving. Our Parliament House at Sher-e-Bangla Nagar in Dhaka is a triumph of modern architecture and technology. তাহলে আমরা বাংলায় বলতে পারি যে আমাদের সংসদ ভবন যেটা শেরে-বাংলা নগরে অবস্থিত ঢাকায়, এটি হলো একটি আধুনিক স্থাপত্য এবং প্রযুক্তির বিজয়। তাহলে this is simple sentence as I have understood that our Parliament House at Sher-e-Bangla Nagar. In simple sentence you will see there only one subject and then only one finite verb is here, finite verb. If in any sentence you find only one subject and only one finite verb, this sentence is simple sentence, and now you have to change it into complex sentence. And you know that all WH are the symbols of complex sentence, and in this case you have to take here, this is a part at Sher-e-Bangla Nagar, and then you have to use here WH, which as our Parliament House is not person and as subject is not person, you have to use there which. Okay, now I am writing the answer. Our Parliament House, this is the subject here, and for that reason we have to use here which. You know that in complex sentence there will be two subjects, which is here being used as subject, which is at Sher-e-Bangla Nagar in Dhaka, and the extension from here we have to write up to the last. Okay, and then what will be here in Dhaka is a triumph of modern architecture and technology. Done. And what have we learned from here? We have learned that our Parliament House, and this is the separate part, this is the another part, and for that reason you have to use here which, and then this is here, and we have also to use here is. Our Parliament House, which is at Sher-e-Bangla Nagar in Dhaka, is a triumph of modern architecture and technology. Now come to second sentence. A famous architect, Louis I. Kahn, designed this magnificent building. Here, at the time of changing from active to passive, you have to find out which one is object, and you know that activities depend upon what thing is called object, and this is the verb. Verb, you know, doing what, and verb is doing what? Designed this magnificent building, and this is the object because verb is doing this. Now you have to take it at first as this is object, this will be used as subject at the time of making it passive, and then this magnificent building, and then you have to think which tense it is. Designed, this is the past form of verb, This is the past form of verb. S, this is the past form of verb, and this is past indefinite tense. This is what? Past indefinite tense. Then this magnificent building was, as this is past indefinite tense, was, and then what will be used here? Designed, past participle form of verb. This magnificent building was designed by a famous architect. This is Louis I. Kahn. To understand it more, I am giving another example. Rana designed this building. In which tense it is? This is past indefinite tense, and you know that structure of passive mode of past indefinite tense. What? Object was, where, B3 by, and then subject. And what will be now? Okay, now will be this building is object, and then what was designed, and then by Rana. Okay, this is done. A famous architect, Louis I. Kahn, designed this magnificent building. This magnificent building is here object. Okay, this magnificent building was designed by a famous architect, Louis I. Kahn. It is one of the largest and most spectacular parliament buildings in the world. You have to change it into positive degree, and you know that all of you know degrees are three kinds: positive, comparative, and superlative. And this is now in which form? This is now largest, and this is one of the, and this is most spectacular. This is superlative form of degree parliament buildings in the world. And as we have seen here, one of the, and then largest and most spectacular, and for that reason this is superlative degree. And there is a rule, you know, that if we find one of the, and then in positive degree, we have to use very few. What? Have to use, okay, very few if you find in superlative from one of the. And then what will be the answer here? Yes, very few. At the very beginning you have to write very few, and then you have to write the other part of degrees, and then very few parliament buildings in the world, very few parliament buildings in the world. Then you have to use verb. What? You have to use here verb. Very few parliament building, this is plural, and then here is, and then this is in present indefinite tense, and then very few parliament buildings in the world, what will be here? Are. And then according to the rule you have to use here so. Very few parliament buildings in the world are so, and then large. And here you see 2 degrees. A largest is 1 degrees and most spectacular is another degrees, and so large and spectacular, and then another is 8. To make it more understandable, let us see the structure of positive degree. Okay, very few plus extension and then verb, and then according to rule so or as, and then positive from, then as, and then subject. And you can memorize this structure, you have to memorize. Very few and then extension, verb so or as, positive as, subject when, and then if you find in superlative degree one of the, and structure will be such. For example, Amin is one of the tallest boys in the class, and we have to change it into positive degree as one of the, what will be here, yes, very few, and then after degrees, very few boys in the class, and then verb are so or as, so tall as Amin. I think you have understood this. Now see number D. As it is a highly complex structure, its annual maintenance cost is about 50 million taka. This is which sentence? Can you tell me? Yes? Can you tell me this is which sentence? As you have found here, this is complex sentence and this is one subject. In complex sentence we know that there are 2 subjects. This is one subject and its annual maintenance cost is another subject, and this is one verb and this is another verb. As we have seen here, 2 verb and then another symbol of complex sentence as. Since as, when these are the symbols of complex sentence, and another symbol, it one subject and its maintenance cost is another subject, and one subject, and this is one verb and this is another verb, and so this is complex sentence. Okay, and there is a rule that in my earlier classes I have taught you that if you find in complex sentence as, in simple sentence what will be there? Because, and the structure will be this way. Because, verb with ing, extension plus the other part of the sentence. As it is a highly complex structure, and what will be here? Sorry, here will be because of. As because of, what will be the answer? Answer will be because of is, you know that this is be verb, and then because of being a highly complex structure. And then the other part of the sentence will remain same. And then what will be here? Yes, its annual maintenance cost is about 50 million taka. Can you understand this? Yes, structure you have to memorize first because of verb with ing and extension, that means other part of the clause. And then as it is a highly complex structure, its annual maintenance cost is about 50 million taka, and instead of s, in the place of s, you have to use here because of. What? Because of. Because of, and then is, what will be here? Being. Because of being. Is, its main form of verb is be. What will be here? Because of being a highly complex structure, its annual maintenance cost is about 50 million taka. You know that in simple sentence there only one finite verb and another will be non-finite verb. Now the last one, it is very difficult for a poor country like Bangladesh to bear these high expenses. এটা অত্যন্ত কঠিন বাংলাদেশের মতো একটা গরিব দেশের জন্য এর ব্যয়ভার বহন করা. Okay, this is compound, and which sentence it is? Yes, this is in simple sentence, and you have to change these sentences into complex sentence. Okay, you see here it is very difficult for a poor country like Bangladesh too. Here is only one subject, it is, and then this is only one finite verb here, and this is here non-finite verb. So this sentence is simple sentence. You know that in simple sentence, if you find without in complex sentence, what will be? If plus negative, and in compound sentence what will be? Or. In simple sentence, if you find in spite of, despite, in complex sentence though, although, and in compound sentence what will be? Yes, there will be but. In all cases what will be there? And. What will be there? And. কি হবে? ওখানে and হবে, কম্পাউন্ড সেন্টেন্সে কি হবে? and হবে. তাহলে আমাদের কিভাবে লিখতে হবে? এখানে দেখো কি বোঝাতে চাচ্ছে যে বাংলাদেশ কি একটি দরিদ্র দেশ, আর তার জন্য কঠিন এই বিশাল খরচ বহন করা. সো আমাদের লিখতে হবে এইভাবে যে বাংলাদেশ is a poor country, these things. Yes, now I am writing. Bangladesh is a poor country. For decoration we have to use here so. It is very difficult for her to bear these high expenses, and so it is very difficult for her. Her indicates our country to bear these high expenses. All the sentences have been changed. Okay, let us see again. আশা করি তোমাদের সেন্টেন্সগুলো হয়েছে, চেঞ্জ করতে পারছো। আমরা আরেকবার একটু ভালো করে দেখে নেই। Our Parliament House at Sher-e-Bangla Nagar in Dhaka is a triumph of modern architecture and technology. To do well in grammar, you have to first understand the sentence, comprehend the sentence, and then it will be so easy for you to change the sentence. If you know the meaning of the sentence, it will be so helpful for you. And then you see, I'm telling you, our Parliament House at Sher-e-Bangla Nagar in Dhaka is a triumph of modern architecture and technology. At first you have to understand what kind of sentence it is mentioned in the question. And then, okay, this is which sentence? This is simple sentence. As I have understood, here see only one subject. Our Parliament House at Sher-e-Bangla Nagar in Dhaka. This is only one subject, and this is only one final verb. And in this case, you have to use here which. This is not person. This is other thing. Our Parliament House at Sher-e-Bangla Nagar. And so, as we have to use two verbs to make this complete sentence, which after which we have to use is, not was, because we have seen here this is present indefinite tense. Our Parliament House, which is at Sher-e-Bangla Nagar in Dhaka, is a triumph of modern architecture and technology. And now this is a famous architect, Louis Icahn, designed this magnificent building, and this is in active mode, and we have to change it into passive mode. And then a famous architect, Louis Icahn, this is the whole part is subject here. A famous architect, Louis Icahn. And in this place you may find a renowned artist, may find, and then a renowned novelist, a world famous novelist, Rabindranath Tagore, wrote Gitanjali. In this way you may find, and what will be then will be in the same way. And then this is the object. At first you must take this one first, and then as this is present in past indefinite tense, you have to use here was, and then third form of verb designed and equal to the rule by, and the other part. In superlative form, if you find one of the, and then in positive form, what will be here? Very few. What will be here? Very few. Very few. And then after degree you have to use, after very few you have to use the other part of the degree, and then parliament buildings in the world. Very few parliament buildings in the world, and then verb, and so, and positive form. At the making positive degree, at the time of making positive degree, you have to use positive form. So large and spectacular as it. And if you find in complex sentence as, what will be then? In simple sentence will be because of. As or since, in simple sentence what will be then? Because of. Because of being a highly complex structure, because of, this is the preposition, and then after preposition you have to add ing to verb, and then for the reason you have to use here ing, because of being a highly complex structure, its annual maintenance cost is about 50 million taka. And then despite, if you find in simple sentence, you have to use in compound sentence, but without, if you find in simple sentence, you have to use or. In all other cases, you have to use and. Bangladesh is a poor country, and so it is very difficult for her to bear these high expenses. Now I am honestly advising you to practice a lot, and you have to change a lot of sentences in your prescribed books. You will find a lot of practices, and there you have to practice a lot to be perfect in changing sentences. Okay, I hope all of you will be safe and sound staying at your residence. Allah Hafiz.